Today, I'll show you how to change the payment method in Google Ads. Changing your payment method is useful when your card expires, your bank account changes, or you want Google Ads to charge a different payment option. First, open Google Ads and log into your account. Make sure you are using an account with billing access or admin access, because regular users may not be able to change payment settings. From the left side menu, click the billing icon. Now open Payment Methods. Here, you will see the payment methods currently connected to your Google Ads account. To add a new payment method, click Add Payment Method. Choose the payment type available in your country, such as credit card, debit card, bank account, or another supported option. Now enter the payment details carefully. Add the card number, expiration date, security code, billing address, and any other required information. After entering the details, click Save. If you want this new payment method to be used for future charges, set it as the primary payment method. Google Ads may ask you to confirm the change. If you want to remove the old payment method, go back to the payment methods list. Find the old card or bank account and click Remove if the option is available. If Google does not let you remove it, make sure another valid payment method is already set as primary. Also, check whether there is an unpaid balance, because some accounts require payment issues to be resolved first. After updating the payment method, go to Billing Summary and confirm that your account is active. And that's it. You've successfully changed your payment method in Google Ads. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.